quid. About 2 years ago, mounted an impact range. Unfortunately, this one does not have the power to undo wheel nuts, which is what I brought it for. Now, I don't keep my wheel nuts very tight. This thing's supposed to be rated at 520 newton meters. You can find a lot on eBay, 1000 newton meters, 800 newton meters. Cheap ones are probably all the same. This one, that's come in handy for a few things. It's got a hex screw mount at the front, which comes in very handy. It makes a very powerful screwdriver. And I did get a sump nut off that I couldn't get off through any other way. So it has got some uses. Like I say, this is the Seavis cordless impact range, brushless apparently. Doesn't have a great deal of power.